The ZTE Nubia Red Magic 6S Pro will be one of ZTE's most recent smartphones. Let's get into the details of the specification. Pressure-sensitive zones, 450 Hz touch sensing, a sliding trigger on the rear, a built-in cooling fan, and RGB light are all included in the smartphone. The display is 6.8 inches AMOLED with a PPI density of 387. Corning Gorilla Glass protects the screen. The Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 888 Plus 5G processor is in charge, while the GPU is Adreno 660. The smartphone has a triple camera setup on the back, 64 megapixels, wide, 8 megapixels, ultra-wide, and 2 megapixels, macro. It has RAM variants of 12 GB, 16 GB, and 18 GB, as well as internal storage options of 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. A LiPo 5050 mAh non-removable, international variant, and LiPo 4500 mAh non-removable battery power the gadget, China model. Fingerprint, under display, optical, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and heart rate are among the sensors. What do you think about this phone? Please comment below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon for my upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.